I had a problem with my Audi A3, and driving along at motorway speeds there was a rumbling vibration coming from one side. Putting your foot on the clutch, the vibration carried on, so it wasn't related to the gearbox. What I thought it was the wheel bearings, or on the driver's side wheel bearing. So you can see this is the side that was faulty, and I'll just move it. You've got side to side play, and you can really hear the bearings. You just imagine that spinning as you're going along the road. That's just going to be constantly vibrating and clattering away, so it's really going to be quite noisy. So on the other side, this is the one that wasn't making a noise, and you haven't got any side to side movement, and the bearing you can feel is very, very much smoother. And to be honest, probably isn't that different to the new one that I put in, but you can see it's 16 years old. It's well worth actually replacing. Having done 160,000 miles, there will be wear in there, so it is beneficial to get a new one in place. This is the new bearing, and you can see that there is absolutely no play there, and that just turns so smoothly, as you would expect, because it's brand new. So yeah, this is going to be going on the car, and hopefully it will completely get rid of the noise. Decided to do both sides. If one has failed, then the chances are the other one is not going to be far behind.